AI is not taking your job. AI is quietly helping people who know how to use it earn more money than ever before. If you are a beginner, if you don't know how to code, if you don't have a large budget, if you don't have advanced technical skills, but you want to create at least $500 per month in extra income, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simplest, most realistic way to earn $500 a month using AI. Not theory, not hype, not overnight success stories. These are real use cases, real market demand, and real methods that beginners are already using today. Before we talk about tools, platforms, or strategies, there is one important mindset shift you need to make. AI is not a money machine. AI is leverage. If you have no skills, no structure, and no plan, AI will not magically make you rich. But if you combine basic skills with the right AI tools, you can work faster, cheaper, and more efficiently than most people. The goal of this video is not to make you rich in 30 days. The goal is to help you earn your first consistent $500 per month in a way that is repeatable, scalable, and sustainable. Most beginners fail with AI because they ask the wrong question. They ask, what can AI do? The correct question is, what problems can AI help solve that people are already paying for? Right now, AI is being used most heavily in 4 areas: writing, design, digital products, marketing ideas, and execution. You are not selling AI. You are selling outcomes. AI is simply the tool that helps you deliver those outcomes faster. Let's start with the easiest entry point for beginners: freelancing combined with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is already being used by businesses every day to support content creation, product descriptions, email marketing, blog posts, video scripts, social media captions. You do not need to position yourself as an AI expert. You only need to position yourself as someone who helps businesses communicate clearly and effectively. You can create a profile on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. In your description, avoid talking too much about tools. Clients don't care about tools. They care about results. Focus on outcomes. Clear messaging, time savings, consistency, professional tone. ChatGPT helps you generate outlines, drafts, headlines, and variations. Your job is to understand the client's goal, refine the output, and deliver clean, usable content. This is important. Clients are not paying for raw AI output. They are paying for judgment, structure, and clarity. Entry-level freelance writing jobs typically pay between $20 and $50 per task, sometimes more. If you complete just 10 to 15 small jobs per month, you can realistically earn $300 to $600. No coding, no expensive software, no advanced experience required, just consistency and reliability. The second method is selling digital products using Canva and AI. Canva has evolved far beyond basic design. With AI features, templates, and automation, beginners can create professional-looking digital products quickly. Examples include financial planners, budgeting templates, journals, social media templates, resume templates, and Notion templates. You are not designing from scratch. AI helps suggest layouts, color palettes, typography, and content structure. These products can be sold on platforms like Etsy. Many successful shops sell digital products priced between $5 and $15. Some sell hundreds or even thousands of units per month. The power of digital products is leverage. You create once and sell repeatedly. If one product sells just 1 or 2 times per day, that can generate $150 to $300 per month. With 3 or 4 well-designed products, $500 per month becomes very realistic. The third method is combining Upwork with AI image generation tools like Midjourney. Businesses constantly need images for blogs, websites, social media, marketing campaigns, thumbnails. Many clients do not want to learn AI tools. They don't want to write prompts. They don't want to experiment. They want results. You can offer services like creating a set of images for content or branding. Typical projects range from $30 to $100, depending on complexity. You generate images using Midjourney, refine them in Canva if needed, and deliver organized files to the client. Just 5 to 10 projects per month can easily reach $500. Now let's look at a realistic example. A beginner with no coding background and no advanced design skills chooses to focus on 3 activities: freelance writing using ChatGPT, selling digital planners on Etsy, offering AI-generated image services. After 2 months of learning and optimization, their monthly income looks like this: $250 from freelance work, $180 from Etsy sales, $120 from image projects. That's over $500 per month. No shortcuts, no luck, just execution. Here are 3 rules you must follow if you want this to work. Rule number 1. Choose one method to start. Do not try to do everything at once. Rule number 2. Use AI to increase speed and quality, not to replace thinking. Rule number 3. Focus on earning your first $100 before scaling. Perfection kills progress. Completion builds momentum. AI is not a short-term trend. It is a long-term shift. People who learn how to use it responsibly and strategically will have a massive advantage over the next decade. Once you reach $500 per month, scaling becomes much easier. You can raise prices, create systems, outsource parts of the work, build recurring income. At that point, AI becomes less about hustling and more about leverage. I'm considering creating a full series focused entirely on practical ways to earn money with AI. Each video would go deep into one method, step by step, from setup to first payment. If you want that series, comment AI money and tell me which method you want to start with.